Hello guys, now we will learn how to change your YouTube profile picture or your YouTube icon. Firstly, go to YouTube website, then click in the right up corner, then click to your channel. Simply okay guys, now in the icon click, then press edit. Okay, now some window appear to the monitor. We can now upload a specific picture or use some uploaded picture, previous uploaded picture. Okay, upload. I will choose Call of Duty picture as example. Okay, we can edit and crop my picture, my icon picture or profile picture of my channel, and then click done. Okay guys, now my icon picture was changed. It will take some time for change to appear everywhere. Okay, now we can go back to my channel. Okay, press or click your channel. You can now look my picture, my profile picture was changed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.